Centers are integral to TEES. Each year, TEES centers perform over $30 million in projects, educate more than 1,500 STEM and continuing education students, and commercialize technologies spanning 7 focus areas: energy systems and services, materials and manufacturing, healthcare, information systems and sensors, national security and safety, infrastructure, and education and training. The centers serve the 3 pillars of TEES: research, workforce development, and technology commercialization. The first goal is to develop technologies that make an impact. The Center for Remote Health Technologies and Systems has discovered a way to convert a cell phone camera into a mobile microscope to detect malaria inexpensively. The Texas Center for Applied Technology has a new information dashboard to better assist first responders. And the Institute for Manufacturing Systems is leading research in cyber manufacturing to enable components to be produced where they are needed. The Global Petroleum Research Institute is testing water treatment technologies for the oil field to reduce environmental impact and cost. The Gas and Fuels Research Center is developing extraction and refining technologies to increase yields for the natural gas industry. And the Smart Grid Center is working to modernize the power grid and make it more reliable. The Center for Autonomous Vehicles and Sensor Systems is helping usher in a new era of precision agriculture to increase energy and water efficiency. TEES' second goal is to train and prepare a technologically advanced workforce for a market demanding ever greater expertise. The Nuclear Power Institute sponsors Science on Saturday, a STEM outreach program for elementary students to generate excitement in engineering careers. The National Center for Therapeutics Manufacturing is training the nation's veterans to join the rapidly expanding pharmaceutical and biotech industries. And the Process Engineering Research and Development Center is teaching food manufacturing professionals from around the world. The Turbo Machinery Laboratory gives grad students hands-on opportunities to conduct applied research in an industrial rotating machine facility. TEES' third goal is to bring technology into the real world. The research generated in TEES centers isn't just theoretical. It's being used by industry, government, and the public. Aerospace Technology Research and Operations is in space with AGISAT-4 spacecraft, deploying from the International Space Station, performing navigational and communications experiments for the Lone Star 2 mission. The Offshore Technology Research Center is in the ocean, testing deep water technologies for offshore engineering and construction companies. And TEES is in the air. The Lone Star Unmanned Aircraft Systems Center of Excellence is finding new uses for unmanned aerial vehicles and bringing new unmanned vehicles into the air. While the Center for Emergency Informatics is using its technology to respond to disasters and refugee crisis around the world. TEES centers are not standing still. They're looking forward to the future and the changing needs of society. TEES has expanded its footprint in energy with the Texas A&M Energy Institute's groundbreaking work in energy systems engineering and the integration of technology, policy, and societal impact. It's responding to the information and network threats through the new Texas A&M Cybersecurity Center, focused on research and education and aimed at government and commercial partnerships and a cyber-savvy workforce. TEES will bring advances in healthcare quickly to the market through a new Center for Translation of Healthcare Technology to facilitate discovery and commercialization innovations by Texas A&M researchers. Through this network of research, workforce development, and commercialization centers, TEES is powering the economy with new ideas, getting technologies to the market, and building a workforce for the next generation. TEES is at the center of innovation.